Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to kite on League of Legends. So basically, kiting is just attacking while moving. And this rule or this method basically fits ranges. For example, long ranges characters, as the one I'm using right now, this is going to be Misfortune. And as you can see, whenever I attack, I move a bit. That is basically how it works. For example, one attack, I move. Now the benefit for this one is you need to minimize the times or the how times your enemy attacks you. You don't want to, for example, them hitting you with a spell, right? And then with this one, it will help you become a hard target. Basically, that's it. You don't want to be an easy target with them. So as you can see right now, I'm not just attacking on one location. I'm not staying here. The one I'm doing right now is every single attack I move, every single attack I move, to avoid the things being hit. As you saw earlier, I got hit with a laser, right? Because I stayed in one place. So as you can see here, one attack, I move, one attack, I move, and then I will avoid skills. Okay, you cannot avoid direct attack, of course, but you can avoid skills or skill shots with your enemy. And that's basically, as you can see earlier right there, I just avoided a stun, right? So that's basically the benefit of kiting. Thank you so much for watching, and this is how you kite on League of Legends. Please hit the like button, subscribe, okay? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.